So in today's video, we're going to be going over how to find keywords for affiliate sites. I've worked on multiple affiliate sites in the past, sold a few sites, and yeah, this is my process on how to find keywords for them. Along those lines, what we're going to be taking a look at is terms that go with ultra running. I'm hoping that's not too specific and there's searches for it. If it is, we'll just go scale it back to marathons and find some affiliate products for that, and kind of my process on how I find the terms. So yeah, let me open up a new incognito window and go over. So one of the things I like looking for first on these affiliate keywords is adding the qualifying term best to it. When someone wants to search a individual product, they tend to add best to the front of it. So let's say we're going after trail running shoes. Someone's interested in purchasing it, they might search best trail running shoes. From there, we can find a few different sites and look at their keywords and come up with some ideas. So I'm going to search best trail running shoes. Okay. And we'll load up a few of these sites. I'll do one more. Don't need too many. Okay. So this site has the best trail running shoes of 2019. You can tell right here, and let's see if this is affiliate or not. So we open this up and look at that affiliate links. So you can see how kind of the post is designed. Image right here, text, men's, women, image right here, some text, right? Best comfort to weight, best overall, best for women, best for wet trails. So you have all the different ones. Best all mountain. So yeah, short races, stuff like that. So let's add this article right here first into the Site Explorer. So under Ahrefs, just go under here, Dashboard Site Explorer, post that there. And instead of domain, let's go to the exact URL. Cool, this gets enough searches. I was a little worried. It's a niche sport, so that article gets about 5,800 organic, so probably multiply that by 3, so probably about 15,000. So the term best trail running shoes has 18 keyword difficulty, 12,000 searches. So it's a pretty easy term actually to rank for, surprisingly, especially with that search volume being at 18 KD. I might actually want to hit on that in the future, but yeah, really good right there. But let's look for some variants and stuff like that. So if your site isn't that strong yet, or you want to go after some other search terms. So best trail shoes, best trail runners, which that's a different search intent, but apparently they're still ranking for it. Kind of funny with that. And see, adding the year qualifier, or adding the year to this itself. Still, actually, it's kind of funny. It's higher keyword difficulty, but search volume still there. That trail running shoes itself is 18,000. Actually, really low difficulty. Really weird, but okay. And you can kind of see some of these other terms that you want to maybe add in the article or add some other sections based on what they're ranking for. But yeah, right here, that's a good idea for a search or for a article. But let's take a look at this website itself and see if they have other things to do with running. Looks like they have just an outdoor site in general. Well, actually, here, if we go running. So going through here, you can find some other products that you might want to do keyword research based around. So, okay, here's another one. Best women running gear of 2020. Published in October, so it's probably already getting some decent traffic, especially with the size of the site. So let's see. I was wrong, but that's okay. I'll go back here and go after something else instead. Okay, hydration packs are good for running. So let's take a look at that. But yeah, I mean, a lot of the things with keyword research with affiliate sites is just finding some of your competitors, putting them in here under Site Explorer and seeing what they rank for, and then going after terms that are pretty low, easy keyword difficulty. At least with this one right here, it looks like they don't really have any rankings for, but ranking for individual products for now. Probably have to go some older articles. We'll check them one more. But I mean, this kind of gives you an idea, the process behind it. I'll take a look at another site after. Here we go. So this is another good one. So like best running sunglasses, 1 keyword difficulty, 1200 volume, and versus running sunglasses. Now, just in case I don't see any examples in this niche, some other qualifiers sometimes you can find is like, let's say best running sunglasses under $100 or under $50, and they'll have a search volume of, let's say, 200, 300, or keyword difficulty pretty low, which actually, again, this is really low. I'm really contemplating making a running site. But stuff like that, you can add that in your article under like an H3 tag or H4 tag, write a few paragraphs, stuff like that, add a few items itself, and you can build out some more content, supplementary content. So you rank for best running sunglasses, and you rank for all those other terms as well, and you build out a really authoritative post based around it. So yeah, let's just take a look at one more site. Runner's World actually is a huge running website, so I'm not going to go after that. Run Repeat. Looks like they have a lot of stuff here. Switchback Travel. Well, looks like just an outdoor site. Outdoor Gear Lab. I guess also kind of like that. Whatever. We'll go after, let's just see what Run Repeat ranks for. I've heard of this site. I haven't really used it before though. We'll just put that in here. We'll do an overview first. Okay, so they're getting about 18K traffic. They have a really high DR at 70 and stuff like that. But just see what they're ranking for. See if any good affiliate keywords. Just looking at the site in general this time. Could be decent, but look at that, 57 and 200, not worth it. Best athletic shoes. This isn't really for my niche, but good keyword right there, 1700. It just looks like they're ranking for a lot of different like shoe ratings and stuff like that, rather than affiliate keywords. Which, don't get me wrong, I'm pretty sure this is just all affiliate links, stuff like that for shoe comparison. So they probably do pretty well. And I mean, their brand term itself, Run Repeat, gets 5,900 searches a month. So they probably do really well. And then Running Shoe Reviews is 2,700. They rank third. So yeah, but this isn't the best example. We'll do we'll do this one for last one. So yeah, this is more outdoors rather than ultra running, but you can see like a lot of their stuff with shoes. Best winter boots. Oh God, I said that wrong. Best winter boots, best hiking shoes for men, best hiking boots for women, stuff like that. So you guys, that's how you find keywords for affiliate websites, or how you do keyword research for affiliate sites. And yeah, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the description down below and leave any comments you want for future videos or anything you want me to cover. Until next time.